Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to enable theft protection on Samsung Galaxy A54. So if you have the Samsung Galaxy A54 and I want to enable theft protection to protect your Samsung phone from unauthorized users, like when your Samsung phone is off or when your Samsung phone could not access the internet connection, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to turn on or enable theft protection, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app, scroll down, click on security and privacy or biometrics and privacy. Then scroll down the page, locate and click on more security settings. Then under more security settings, locate and click on theft protection. You should see lock device screen if theft is detected. Now once you click on that, under theft protection, then scroll down the page and make sure you enable theft detection lock. The screen will be locked if this settings detected that someone took your device and ran away. Then offline device lock. This screen will be locked shortly after your device goes offline to help protect your data. So make sure these two are turned on under auto lock protection and then scroll down, locate and click on remote lock. Then here, if remote lock is disabled, make sure you turn on remote lock. So in this case, if your phone is stolen at gunpoint or someone took your phone out of your will, then you can now go ahead, lock the phone when you visit android.com.lock and then type in your phone number. Then just go to the website and then here, you just need to type your phone number and then hit the lock device. And then once you do that, then you're good to go. So that's exactly how to enable theft protection on a Samsung A54. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.